Hi everyone, this learning target is I can determine missing quantities and part-whole relationships. These are those line diagrams we've been using. So the problem we're doing is a shirt was $30 originally, and then it was 25% off. How much was it discounted? So remember on these line diagrams, we always have 100% on the bottom, because this entire line goes from 0% to 100. And then a big part of this is just figuring out where stuff goes in the number line. So it says this shirt was $30 originally, so I'm trying to figure out, is that the part or the whole? And I know it's the whole because that's the whole price of the shirt. That's at 100% of the price. And that we're trying to figure out is if 25% was taken off, what's the part of the price? What's the discount? So I know that 25 will be about here maybe. So that's 25%. And I know this chunk has to be 75% because 100 minus 25 is 75. And then on the top, so I just have my two sections. So I have the 25%, which is the discount. And then 75% is what I actually paid for the item. And then, so we want to know how much is it discounted. We're trying to figure out this amount up here. It's useful to find this amount, but we don't actually have to if we want to figure out this one. So now I need to partition my line, which means cut it up into percent so I can figure out how many dollars go in each chunk maybe. So I have 25%, 75%, 100%. The goal is to pick a percent that divides evenly into each of these. So 10 is probably not going to work because 10, 20, 30, 25 is right between, so it doesn't go in evenly. I could do 5% if I wanted. I am not going to because I don't want to do partitions that small, but you can if you want. But here, 25 goes evenly into 25, 75, and 100. So if I cut this into 25% chunks, I have 25% here, 25% here, 25 and 25. And so 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 100. Okay. So now, if I'm looking at the money on top, okay, so the whole line is $30, and I want to cut it into 4 even sections. So if I do 30 and divide it by 4, that's going to give me $7.50. So each of those is $7.50. Yep. And then if I want to figure out how much it was discounted, so this area here on this side is how much I actually paid. So whatever 750 times 3 is would be how much I paid. And then here my discount is $7.50. That's going to be my answer. So if I wanted to figure out this amount, I could do $30 minus $7.50 and get, I believe it's $22.50. So that's how much I paid for the shirt, and then this would be how much it was discounted. So that would be our answer.